Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll tell you how to download Ola TV on your Fire Stick. So let's get right into it. Since Ola TV isn't available on Amazon App Store, we need to enable apps from unknown sources. Here's how. Go to Settings, My Fire TV and click Developer Options. Turn on the apps from unknown sources. Next, we need to download the app to install Ola TV. From the home screen, search for Downloader, click Download and Install. Now, click the Downloader app, open it and type the URL. The URL would be the latest Ola TV APK link. Then click Go and then download the APK. Once downloaded, click Install. So, Ola TV requires an external media player. If you don't have one, install Kashua Player or Ludio Player from Downloader using the same method, as shown here. Now, open Ola TV app from Channels. Choose a channel category, select a media player, and enjoy unlimited streaming. So, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.